Turkey and trying the IKEA mattresses, and it's very hard to find an actual mattress that is really good. So this is firm, this is extra firm. These are the best mattresses here. The Valevag extra firm and the Valevag firm. I got the Valevag firm. I didn't know there is extra firm, but extra firm is better, I think. So let's try. Jumpiness. This feels a bit. So this is the Valevag firm with the pocket springs. This extra firm with the pocket springs Valevag. This one is really the best one. This is the code. The size, they have different sizes. These are the codes for each size and the prices. So it can get pretty expensive. This one is really the best, since really feels not too soft, not too hard. Yeah. Someone blocked someone else. So yeah, this is really the best mattress. There is one more. Yeah, it feels nice and solid, but not like a rock. Whereas this one. That's the label for this one and the prices. This is the firm, Valevag firm. They have lots of mattresses here. I tried most of them, and these two are really my favorite. And there's one there. I'll try this one. So Valevag firm, extra firm. And this one, Vesteroy, extra firm. So Vesteroy, extra firm. These are the codes. Yeah, this feels really nice. If you like the, so this is the label for this one. If you like the super, if you want the most firm mattress that doesn't feel like a stone at the same time, this is it. I feel it has, the people here say it has more springs per square meter, square centimeter, something. So this Vesteroy extra firm. Vesteroy extra firm. So I prefer the other one, the Valevag extra firm, because it has some cushioning here. This one feels really hard on the surface. There is not much. I mean, if you want a really solid mattress, like feels really hard, this is it. And it's very springy. It's jumpy. No, it's jumpy. This feels not so. Oh, yeah. Yeah, this is more comfortable. This has a bit of soft padding here. So Valevag extra firm or Vester extra firm. Very good. Prices can be pretty. I didn't throw this bottle because I have to get my warranty first. It's 50 cents of play. It's like 10 cents. If you prefer not so firm, this one, the firm, and then extra firm, this with the soft padding, or the Western. Or if you don't care about the soft padding, this you can feel it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. I'll give you the sleep test. When you sit here, you see some information on the ceiling. That's it. Thanks for watching. That's it.